Hello friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. In this video, we are going to paint a simple watercolor landscape, mainly using wet in wet technique. I have started blocking my landscape, randomly positioning the figures, trees, foreground, middle ground and background. Here I am creating excessive colors to create a variegated wash. It's a varied wash which creates and sets the background of sea. I'm keeping colors as fresh as I can and let them mix on paper. Some darks, some light. Closer colors are darker. On the horizon I am creating now trees and setting some horizontal line. Here in wet I am just putting some globes and achieving trees. Now this is a very interesting technique. In wet you can create some interesting patterns with this sprinkling colors. I am trying to imitate the small grass and some flowers with that. It is necessary to have semi-dry or dumb paper to have this effect. Now I am painting some middle ground trees. This demo is actually a class session where my student was standing behind me and watching it. So I am explaining her everything what I am doing. Now I have this 50-50 color, means 50 water and 50 color, but it's not consistent. I am using some thick, some water, and it's a mix of both. Defining some grass with it. These are random strokes, and now I have taken some water in my brush and I am creating some soft edges to merge them very well in land. Adding some more trees, branches. Here I have carefully mixed two colors, Viridian green, some gamboge yellow and Persian blue to achieve dark and light branches and leaves. So I am just putting some darks in there so I can get 3D effect. I am mixing some more darks to paint foreground dark leaves of coconut tree. This is an assignment to learn how to use various consistency of watercolor. Means here I am using 80% color and 20% water. Diwali is coming. Using some varied darker greens so it won't look like boring pattern. Now I am adding some here and there details to maintain consistency. If you see, I have hold brush very away from the tip. Now I have added some water in brush and just gives two strokes and pick up color with help of paper napkin to create space for these figures. And now with darker orange, brown, I am creating these hands and legs of characters, adding some strokes on their clothes. First one is lady and man is following her, rather following her instructions how and where they are going. So this is it. It's a simple and very interesting scene showing some wet in wet techniques and basics of watercolor. I hope you enjoyed. If you like such videos, please do share these videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.